every day and every moment.
And this process of God taking you, Sarah Hamza, to be my wife, to have and to hold from this day forward for better and for worse, for rich and for proud, and sickness and the health, to love and to trace it as long as we both shall love. This my soulmate, boy, and promise.
Sarah, we have witnesses today the words of love and the promise of lifelong sharing. We have witnesses the depth of your love as symbolized by the giving, the receiving of rings. And therefore, I declare that Shukri and Sarah from this moment on are husband and wife.